Is the VCNL4200 IR proximity, distance, and ambient light sensor with STEMMA QT. It is a nice little plug and play, no soldering required. You can do it if you want. We've got pins on there. Got a feather board with a little matrix LED display on it, and I've got the VCNL4200 and the infrared receiver transmitter there. You can see as I get my hand closer, I'm just lighting up a little sort of bar graph on my display there. You can also see my light values. I'm actually covering, even though this is a white piece of paper, it's covering some of the ambient light. If I just take my hand and put it over there, you can see I'm able to get the light, ambient light value or lux reading down closer to 0. My product pick of the week this week is the VCNL4200 IR long range distance and ambient light sensor with STEMMA QT.